Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Azure VM access with Azure AD, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the Azure portal using your administrator account. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section in the left-hand menu. In the Azure Active Directory menu, select Users. Find and click on New User to create a new user for VM access. Fill in the necessary user details, including username and password. Ensure the user is assigned the appropriate role, such as Virtual Machine User. Next, go to the Virtual Machines section in the portal. Select the virtual machine you want to authorize access to. In the VM settings, navigate to the Access Control (IAM) menu. Click on the Add Role Assignment option at the top. In the Role Assignment pane, choose the Virtual Machine Administrator Login role. Search for the newly created user in the Assign Access to section. Select the user and click the Save button to assign the role. After role assignment, go back to the VM's overview page. Note the public IP address assigned to the VM for remote access. Open a remote desktop client on your machine. Enter the public IP address of the VM and connect. When prompted, use the Azure AD credentials of the user you just created. Once logged in, you will have access to the Azure VM with the assigned permissions. Confirm the connection and explore the VM environment to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.